This is the Kershaw Barricade. I've had it for several years now, and it's been a great knife. It's got the glass reinforced nylon handles and 8CR13 MOV steel. It holds the edge pretty decent. Not the best, but not the worst. And of course, those handles feel real nice when it's really cold out compared to something like aluminum. It's got the assisted opening, and it is a flipper. So it opens very fast, and I really like that. It's got a nice thick liner lock. I've never had issues with it. A very good grip, very good design. It does have a seatbelt cutter. I found that not very useful. You could always just use the blade. And the flipper functions as a guard to keep your fingers from sliding forward if you stab something, so you won't cut yourself. One of the main reasons why I like this is because of the glass breaker. It works really well on car windows, just in case you lock your keys in your vehicle. Or if you have an emergency and you need to get out of the vehicle and you can't open the door for some reason. But yes, I really like it. It's been really good. Highly recommend it. They go for around $40. And if you lose it, it's not that big of a deal. Like a really expensive Benchmade or something like that. Very good EDC. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just really like this one. Thank you guys for watching the video. What's your favorite knife? Comment below.